Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, I really do appreciate you, the Precious family. You know that you are always welcome. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. You can become a part of the Precious family just once you finish watching this video. If you like what you see, you can go ahead on and click on that subscribe button and you will become a part of the Precious family as well. And you can hit the notification bell and it will let you know each time when I upload a new video. Now guys, we are approaching Christmas. We are like 2 days away from Christmas and we are approaching the end of the year. And I will not let this time pass me by without thanking all of my subscribers that been with me when I first started back in August the 16th, 2021, and all of my new subscribers. You just don't know how much I appreciate you. You always watching my videos, no matter what I put out there, you watching my videos. And the reason why I know is because you comment and you let me know that you are here or you are there. So thank you so much. Okay, so now with that being said, I am going to show you a dish, and it is called the banana strawberry cream cheese pie. Now this is a no bake. I'm just showing you something where you don't have to be sweating over a hot stove. It's just something simple that you can put together within minutes when you know that you're having guests, friends coming over, family coming over, and you just want that quick dessert. And this is a tasty dessert. I mean, it's so easy to make and you can just make it within probably 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this banana strawberry cream cheese pie. That's it. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so I am going to be doubling this recipe. So I'm going to give you just the single ingredients first, okay? And then I tell you how I double it. So you will need to make one pie crust. To fill one pie crust, you're going to need one of the single pack banana pudding. And this is a 3.4 ounces of banana pudding. So I went on and put this in my bowl because this is going to be the first thing that I'm going to be mixing. Okay. And then right here in this bowl, I have, you can use the single pack of 2.15 ounces of classic cheesecake mix. But once again, I'm doubling it, so I use 2 packs. And here, normally I would use 8 ounces of Cool Whip. You can use the whip type or just the original Cool Whip. So here I got 2 tubs of that. So that's going to be 16 ounces. And here is my cream cheese. Normally I would use 1/8 ounce box of cream cheese. But once again, I'm using 2. And here are my pie crust. I went on and did the store-bought graham cracker 9-inch pie crust. And once again, I'm using this because it's simple. You can make your own crust out of graham crackers, but today we are not doing that. Okay, and for my milk, I'm using 1 cup and 3/4 of milk. I'm not going to have a lot of that banana taste because I want you to taste the strawberries as well. So I'm just using 1 single box of this. And that's going to be 3.4 ounces. Okay, so let's put this together. Okay guys, we are going to start off by just pouring a little milk at a time. Okay, we're just going to add a little bit more milk. We're just going to add a small amount at a time. We're going to let that beat for a few minutes. Let's add a little bit more milk. And I don't want mine real watery. And I'm looking for that consistency. I like for mine, I don't want it to be too watery. So I use 1 cup of milk. Okay, so now we are going to go in with our cream cheese. And we are going to just beat this slowly. Now, everything is mixed in thoroughly. It's time for us to put it in our pie crust. And if this is too thick for you, remember that extra milk. I told you I only use a cup. You can always go in and add more milk, but I just only like that 1 cup of milk. Now guys, here is my glaze. And I did show you at the very beginning because I was not going to put this inside the mixture. I'm just going to spread this on the top of it, give it that glaze, like a little glaze frosting. So let's go ahead on and put our mixture in our crust pan. And I am going to pack this. So we're just going to go ahead and pour some in this pan here onto this crust. And guys, it is so simple to make. It's very simple. No bake. And I like to go ahead on and do my dessert at least a day or 2 before Christmas. Well, guys, let me know, do you cook everything on the same day on Christmas Day, or do you cook, do you prepare your meal before Christmas? I'm going to get early tomorrow morning, early Friday morning, and I am going to start cooking. But my desserts, my cakes, my pies, my desserts, my fruit bowl, my punch bowl, cake, all of that would be out of the way, okay? Now, you can put as much of this glaze as you want to. It's just your preference. Now guys, this is what the pies are looking like. Normally, and this is only if you want to, you can just slice up little strawberries and just line them up pretty on the pie. Or you can get some graham crackers and just crumble them up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple banana strawberry cream pie. It is delicious. Okay, and once you finish this, make sure you put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. At least 2 hours, because you want it to be thick. So when you cut it, it won't be like a cream mushy pie. It'll be like a nice piece of pie. Okay, so we are all done with our banana, strawberry, cream cheese pies. So here's the finished result. And I went on and crumbled the graham crackers on top of it. This is just my preference. But I normally put sliced strawberries on them. But guys, today, these stores are running out of a lot of the ingredients that we need. But anyway, I'll do that the next time. And I went on and I did this German chocolate cake. I did this off camera. was too late when I thought about trying to do a video. But anyway, this is what it's looking like. And so, all right guys, so I thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank all of my subscribers, and I'm welcoming my new subscribers to the family as well. So at this time, I just want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope you guys are doing well. You are taking care of yourself. And once again, I'm sounding off. Merry Precious. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.